Well, sitting here in the shed and I heard the postie pull up on his bike and I thought, oh, not another friggin' bill, as you normally do when you hear the postie turn up. And it's alright when they ride straight past, but when they stop, you know you're up for something. So I wander out the letterbox, and old mate's thrown this letter in there, and it's from Melbourne, from Victoria. And I'm a bit concerned whether I should open it or not. With this coronavirus, what do you do? I haven't got gloves on. Just take the punt, I guess. Just grow some balls and open it. I don't know. Don't breathe. Don't touch me nose. Touch me arse. It's a mail from Aaron. How cool is that? DCT Engineering. Aaron Engineering. Cutting Edge Australia. Make Joe. Geez, man, you gonna fill me sticker board. Shit. We've got a great letter here. G'day Matty, thanks so much for your support, for supporting my YouTube channel and watching my videos. Please find a couple of stickers included for your shop. Trust you are well, and here's to a brighter year in 21. Thanks very much, Aaron. I really appreciate that, mate. Yeah, we can only hope for a better year in 2021. This one's absolute shit, to say the least. So we have had a shit year. We've had the bushfires to start it off, and then this corona shit. Well, that just topped her off. So thanks very much, Aaron. I'm going to get these up on the board, and just can't touch my face. Got to wash my hands now. I want to give a shout out to one of Trent's mates. That's my young fella. It's my oldest boy. One of his mates. His name's Zach. I gave him a challenge. I said, I know his uncle really well. And I said, because young Zach asked for some stickers. Pops. Yeah, you're on the board there. And I said that, Trent asked if Zach can have some stickers, so I gave him some. I said, here's a couple of more stickers, give them to your Uncle Pete. And if you give them to Pete, well, and I find out, and I want proof that you actually gave them to him, I'll give you a shout out. And he was pretty stoked with that. So a couple of days went by and I sort of didn't think much of it. And I got a message last Friday, about 9:30. Thanks very much for your stickers, Matty, from Pete, from his uncle. Zach told me I had to prove it, so I definitely got them, and they're on my ute, he said. They're on the back window of my ute, so thanks very much, Pete, for doing that. And thanks very much, Zach, for passing them on. I appreciate that, mate. Mate, you're on the board, and your mates, so thanks very much. I got asked the other day, what am I going to do when I fill this door? Well, it's pretty easy. It's just another excuse to go and buy another cabinet. It's a pretty good excuse too, I thought. So, if any of you guys want some stickers, the Matty's Workshop ones, you can see them up there. The Matty's Workshop ones, I've changed them and put the YouTube symbol underneath here. But if any of you guys, if you know someone who wants them, yeah, just give us a shout out and I'll get some on their way, because I've sent them all over the world now. Thanks very much, Aaron, and thanks to everybody that's on the board. I really appreciate your support. Firstly, I want to apologise. I haven't had a machining video out for a couple of days or weeks. I've had a problem with me lathe, with the auto feed, which I've been trying to get sorted out. So I think I come up with a solution to fix it. Bit excited about this one actually. It wasn't a cheap fix, put it that way. But I think it'd be a good thing in the long run. I have got a couple of projects on the go. I'm I don't know where I put it now. Halfway through. I'm doing a prototype at the moment, making an oil can. So just prototyping at the moment. Making a set of plans, but making sure I get it all right and working. So I'm still waiting on some bits to turn up for the valve body. But once they turn up and I can finish this one, then I know where I've gone wrong and what I've done right and wrong. I can get on with making one and filming it. So I've got to make 2 more. Apparently my brother wants one too. Go figure. Anyway, that's the project that's coming up. That'd probably be the next project anyway. Anyway, I'm going to swing these around and have a look over here and see how I solved the problem. I think you'd be pretty happy. Okay, there's the first clue. There's the second clue. So I bought myself a brand new lathe. Another one. It's a fairly big investment, but don't know what I walked around here for. Anyway, big investment, but I think it's going to be a good thing. Pretty excited about it actually. So what I'm going to do, well, there's a couple of more boxes. What I'm going to do is get it all unboxed, and don't know where the bloody hell I'm going to put it over there. Got to do a bit of rearranging. So I'll get it all unboxed and set up, and then I'll give you a bit of a look. Well, it's the next day and I finally got it into place. I've had to rearrange the shop a fair bit. I've got the shaper over in the corner now. I left the Cincinnati and the mill drill where it is. And I shifted the grinders and the arbor press. Still working on the opposite corner of the shop. Setting them up over there, so I just sort of give you a sneak peek and let you know that hopefully there will be a machining video out, well, soon I hope. Still got to put the light, the work light on it yet. I'm going to use a work light. That's the one I had on the little, little lathe. So just got to make up a mount for it. Get that mounted up on there, and try and chase up a quick change tool post as well. But I've had it running and it's bloody nice. Yeah, you can see the difference between Chinese and Taiwanese, that's for sure. Anyway, we're going to have a crack at repairing the other one day. I'll show you as a damage what's done in there. And anyway, that was just a short, quick video to let you know what's been going on in my little world here. So the corner of the shop don't look too bad now. The compressor's not going to stay there. I've walked that thing around the shop here about 13 times a day. I don't know where to put the bastard. So wouldn't mind putting it outside under in a little cover enclosure outside to get out of the shed, but I'll work on that another day. So this corner of the shop's pretty much full and complete for now. So there's no more spend and sprees, I know that. I think I'm pretty much set to make whatever I like. Yeah, I think the gear I've got now, I think I'll be right for quite a few years, I hope. So anyway, take care out there, guys, and see you on the next video.